Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a super handy feature on Facebook that allows you to enhance your profile photos by adding a location. This can help personalize your profile and share where your photos were taken with your friends and followers. So, whether you're at a breathtaking vacation spot or your favorite hangout, let's go through the steps to add a location to your Facebook profile photo using your Android device. First, you'll want to open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate your profile section. This can be easily done by tapping on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've tapped your profile picture, you'll see a larger version of it. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture again to proceed. Now, look for the option that says, See your profile picture. This will open up your photo and give you the option to edit it. Here comes the fun part. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a location icon. Tap on that icon to add your desired location. This step will allow you to tag where the picture was taken, which adds a fantastic touch to your profile. And that's it. With just a few quick taps, you've not only made your profile more engaging, but also shared a piece of your journey with everyone. So, whether you're posing in front of the Eiffel Tower or chilling at a local cafe, adding a location is a great way to showcase your memories. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips.